Thank you for taking the SDMT cognitive test. First, I need to confirm some information. I will patiently wait for you to type all information. Take your time. Thank you. You may say start to begin.
Start.
First, we need to make sure you can see the screen well. Please come closer if necessary. Can you read these numbers here for me from left to right?
5, 6, 8, 3.
Great. Your vision is good for the test. Here you see we have 2 rows of boxes, one above the other. The bottom row is filled with numbers 1 to 9. The top row is filled with 9 different symbols. Underneath there are 9 more boxes. These will be filled with 9 symbols. Your job is to use the symbol digit key here at the top and verbally say what number goes with each symbol here in the bottom row. For example, in this case, you would say 5, 2, 1. Please continue and finish the rest of the trial. The symbols will no longer be highlighted during the test.
4, 9, 6, 3, 8, 7.
Correct. We are almost ready to begin. In a moment I will start the test. A new symbol digit key will appear, then the word begin, followed shortly by 9 symbols in the bottom row. Your task is to say the numbers that go with the symbols as quickly as you can, but without making any mistakes. Please keep in mind a few things. First, make sure you only say the numbers from left to right and nothing else. For example, do not say this symbol is number 1, this symbol is number 2, etc. Second, if you realize you made a mistake in one of the previous items in a trial, do not go back, just focus on the next symbol and keep going. When you have finished the first line, it will go blank. The word begin will appear again, followed shortly by the next line of symbols. This will carry on for a total of 8 lines. During the test, you must try and ignore any distractions that occur. Try and keep your focus on the task, working as quickly as possible without any mistakes. Would you like to go over this again?
No.
I will start the test in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.